Hello guys, welcome to Zach Animate Studios, your channel number one for graphic design and animation. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. As you can see on my screen is a Prism Live Studio. If you want to optimize your studio recording with low budget, imagine you can use Prism Live Studio. It is easy to set up and easy to use. As you can see, let's just dive in and then start our Prism Live Studio. Prism Live Studio. As you can see, it has many features that are typically not easy to get on any other live streaming studios like OBS, and most of the things have been configured into your live streaming. Imagine you can do some multiple streaming into Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all that. So you don't have to struggle, because you can see that it is easy to launch. And then another thing, it is very light on CPU. Just one thing to add on, you can always have a good back. I normally tell my friends there is this green, we call it Safaricom green material. You can buy it and then you can just add to the background of your camera. So basically I have a camera that is taking my face right now, and it is easy to set up. As you can see, just how to set up. Before you start your streaming, you will see you will have a scene, an empty scene. Let's just create a scene. Let's call it scene 3. As you can see, you don't have anything on the scene. So just to start the scene, you come here. You have, if you want to add your Facebook link, Twitter link, any other link that you have, and you want to use it on Prism Live Studio, you just come here and then you search for text template. As you can see, you will get professionally look lower thirds template. So with that, you can just add that one. You just add that one, and then you can give it a name like Zach Animate Studios. Let's call it the company. I give it my company. So with that, I can just now decide, do I want to give it a title? I will give it a title as Zach Animate Studio. As you can see, you can select, do you want to have 2 lines or just want to have one elegant line like that. And it's easy to edit. You can change the font. You can just change the font, you can see, and it still have that fluid look and feel. And you can just give it like height, like through 200. You can add the height, the width, font size. As you can see, you can still work on it, that is small or big. So you can add it up to like 40, yeah, something like that. Outstanding. You can make it caps lock, or you can give it as small letters. You can justify it, put it on the left, on the center, or so basically the basic skills. You can change the background. You can also add the speed of animation. You can also still add some filters on it, but that is just what we want to have. And then you can now select the where you want to have your text to appear. So basically that is your company. You can also add like your social media. You can add your social media details. That is, you can still add, you just go back there and then you can say let's give it my social accounts, and then you say okay. What you can just go back there on social accounts. You can now just add like your Facebook. You can add your Facebook or YouTube link. So if maybe you want to stream on Facebook, you just do that, and then you'll have your Facebook link. That is so basically you have just now to make sure that your stream setup looks amazingly good. So it is easy to set up, it is less consuming on the CPU. You can imagine if you have a low budget CPU, this one is there for you. As you can see on my frame rate here, basically you can see it is like 25 to 25, and then the GPUs also is it takes a little. Let me just pause. As you can see with Prism Live Studio, you can do a lot of things with minimal setup. I just wanted to add a new, so basically now we just want now to add a camera to add a camera to our setup. So that is you still go back to our sources and then you're going to click add, and there are two types of cameras. First we have the Prism camera, and then we have the default camera this side. So these are the features that come with the Prism, and also we have the feature that just come by default with the Prism system. So this one, so there are two features that I just want to show you how it can be done. So we can just do that. It is going to select okay, that is, I've tried to use the camera from Prism Studio, but we can still select a camera from my phone, but it's being used now by this system. So this one has less features compared to camera. I'm going to remove it, I'm going to delete it, and then I'm going to add Prism Live camera. Okay, that one. So I'm going to use the existing camera, and then I'm going to show you what I mean. So with that, as you can see, with Prism camera you can remove the background, and then with the removal of the background you can use your own preset background. So also Prism has not left you out. You can still go back to Prism, and then you can still add background templates. As you can see, you can use background templates, and then I'm going to use existing. So with background templates, so the way you can decide to use some of the amazing backgrounds that we have. And then one important thing, you just need to arrange. Okay, so make this arrangement looks good. You move it to the back. So as you can see, I'm in Kenya, but I'm also at the other side of the world, so you never know how. So basically you make your backgrounds look amazing. You can make your background looks amazing with different amazing backgrounds. So Prism has never failed to fail us. So guys, you can set up, you can see on the other side of my setup screen I have like there is a chart. You can also add chart, that is a chart. So basic, this is called Prism chart. You can also add it to your screen to make it look more appealing. As you can see, I have appealing chart, as you can see. So Prism is one of the best I can recommend to anyone. If you want to do some live streaming, you want to tell a story, Prism is the way to go. So you can just go to the download button, Prism Live Studio, and get yourself a copy of Prism Studio for your live streaming, and you will give your audience the best of your experience. Remember, you can just get a green screen. So this is I'm holding a green screen. You can see inside, this is a green screen. As you can see, it's a green material. You can put it on the back. You can just put it on the back. You can put it on the back. You can see it has gone on the back of my side, and then what you can do, you can get the best experience. It's going to remove the background. This is going to enhance your background to look much better. So the way you just going to arrange your setup is going to be much better. So guys, thank you for connecting with us. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, and for the latest content, and you'll never miss a thing. That's the best way you can support us. Cheers till next video, guys. Thank you.